Okay, write linear equations in two variables in various forms, given 1 point and the slope, and given 2 points. So we're going to be given parts of a line, and we're going to have to graph it in slope intercept, standard, or point slope. Okay, a line goes through the points 9, -6, and 24, 4. Write the linear equation in standard form. So the first thing we need to get is our m. We're going to do y minus y over x minus x. So draw a fraction bar and put two minuses, and I just like putting the y's in and the x's in. So -6 minus 4 and 9 minus 24. Just drop your x's and y's in. Now then, -6 minus 4 is -10. 9 minus 24 is -15, and that gives you 2/3. So that's our m in it. Now then, we're going to use point slope, and let's use this point because there's no negatives. So this is our x, this is our y. So I'm going to do y. Our y is going to be 4 minus 4 equals 2 over 3, parentheses, x minus 24. So I'm going to distribute the 2/3. So y minus 4 equals 2 over 3x minus 2 times 24 is 48, divided by 3 is 16. And now then, I want it in standard form. So standard form can't have a fraction. So I'm going to get rid of the denominator, which is 3. Divide by 3. What's the opposite? Multiply by 3. I'm going to take this 3 and distribute it to each term. So I'm going to put a 3 on top to show that I'm multiplying. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times -4 is a -12 equals, the 3's right here divide out to 1. I have 2x left. And then I have 3 times -16 is a -48. Next step is to move the x to the left and the 12 over to the 48, right? So when I move the 12 over, I'm going to plus 12. The 2x is going to turn into a -2x. So -2x minus 3y, or plus 3y, equals -36. And I got one more step. I can't leave the x negative. I'm going to divide everything by -1. And I'm going to get 2x minus 3y equals 36. That's my standard form. Wow, what a blast. Okay, number 5. A line goes through the point 30, -4, and has a slope of -4 over 5. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to use point slope again. I know the slope and a point. So I got y. This is my x and my y. This is my m. Y, what's the opposite of -4? It's a plus 4, equals, my slope is -4 over 5, parentheses, x minus 30. This one here, I only want it in slope-intercept. So y plus 4, distribute your 4/5, -4 over 5x. A negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 30 is 120, divided by 5 is 24. Now then, I want it in slope-intercept. I don't have to get rid of the fraction. I just need to move that 4 over. And if I move the 4 over, I'm going to subtract 4, aren't I? So y equals -4 over 5x plus 20 would be my slope-intercept form. Okay, right here, a line goes to the points, -8, 14. Write the equation in point slope. So I want to leave it like this. So when I get to this form right here, I'm going to stop. But I need my slope. So my slope will equal to my y minus y over x minus x. My y's are 14 and 8, so put 14 and 8. My x's are -8 and 16. And I'm going to get 6 over -24, which simplifies to -1/4. Okay, so that's my m. Now that I'm going to do y, and I'm going to use this point because there's no negatives. Y minus 8 equals -1 over 4, parentheses, x minus 16. And I'm going to stop because they want it in point slope.